Hi, Dennis here. I'm in Tbilisi. I'm near my apartment, and it occurred to me that I'd like to show the difference between an old building and a classic building. I live very close to Liberty Square, not geographically the center of Tbilisi, but historically and the heart of the city. Here is Liberty Square with the wonderful statue of St. George, which replaced the statue of Lenin that was here before. Looking back on my street from here, Liberty Square. Sometimes it's translated in tourist books as Freedom Square. This wonderful building with a Dunkin' Donuts at the anchor leads us to the street that is the entry, you might say, to Old Tbilisi. And here comes a sightseeing bus now. Take a walk down this street, which I've lamented many times, the presence of all the cars. Without the cars, this would be an extremely lovely street. But what can you do? I've walked down this street many times, but I'm not going to walk down today because it's cold. The last week has been very warm, but today it's cold, and I'm going to go make a video with all of the photos that I've taken from the previous week that are amazingly close to my house because it is Old Tbilisi, and I live so close to Tbilisi, but haven't had the time to really explore it until recently. Welcome to my video.
Შამისულს მადლი ჭერს ხო ავიჭუ ნალიცხენს ხების სიმს სიმიგუ რწმენა ლექს ფარი ხმალს ბედი წამს ოქროთვალს
Hello, this is Guri. I'm Dennis. We're in Tbilisi, but I don't know where in Tbilisi.
This is so-called Gomi Street, one of the amazing old and tiny streets of the city.
It is amazing and tiny, that's for sure.
With all the scarlet balconies on this side.
Church bell.
Janikuls Serashos Ikatstos Bardelis
on Salami Street. Don't know if 144 stairs means how many we've taken or how many there are left to go. I hope it's how many we've taken.